Full six-side machining, we always say you get a fully deburred part out of the machine. And even you can use the lower turret with a vise on it to integrate another operation. So you're more than flexible with this machine in every machine shop.
Marcus, we're here at the DMG MORI Pfronten Open House 2025. There's a lot of world premieres here, but also there's machines that have been in existence for a while, this being one. But it's incredibly popular and it's incredibly interesting. So I want to find out more about the MTX 500. Could you explain what this machine is?
Yes, we designed this machine because we listened to our customers, what their needs, and they always have floor space problems, especially for small parts. And we have the lower turret, which 14 to 16 stations where we can machine. And we have a repeatability if you have to mount new tools with an accuracy of 2 micron. And what is incredible is the size of the B-axis, which is the size of my iPad, which is really...
This is why you're holding it, because if you look at the comparison, you look at that, I mean, how do you get so much in such a small area? How is that engineered?
It's a compact master spindle, which is in standard 30,000 RPM, but we can have optional 42,000 RPM, which is really high class, and we can do also high-speed milling with that technology, even if you don't have a high torque. And so you need high RPM to have the same results if you have high torque.
Yeah, so you could do a lot of cuts fast, I guess, can you? What's the tooling in it?
The tooling is whether a Captive C4 or a HSK 40 taper.
Because the tools are just behind you, yes, which are so very accessible as well for the operator to be able to load and unload. You mentioned something to me about the flexibility here.
Yes.
Now we've got a main spindle and a second spindle.
Yes.
And when I called them that in the preparation to this video, you said actually there's no real first and second because you can use that as the first and that as a second.
Yeah, yes, we can do it because it's really the same size. We have the same diameter, we have the same RPM, and you can turn the world around if you have our integrated bar loader solution, which fits between the SWAF conveyor and our IMTR, which is the in-machine traveling robot solution we offer from DMG MORI, which means you can load the bar from the right side without extending the floor space. And so the sub-spindle becomes the main spindle. So you turn the world around, but the spindles are designed as the same. On both sides, and you have the full access whether to the sub and the main spindle and whether on which side it is.
And could you get a turning tool in the milling head and
yes,
lock it so
exactly.
you could kind of balance turn?
Yes. Exactly, that's outstanding because the Compact Master is a turn mill spindle where you can lock the tool and do the balance turning as you described, especially for long parts like in the medical world, nails, for example, or instruments are very popular.
Where it fits? Is that where you look at this machine in the medical sector as one you mentioned? Where else is the popularity, or where does it sell?
Yeah, it's automotive, for example, injection molds or lifestyle components. That's mainly the driven market. Lifestyle components are watches. We're doing watch houses there, loaded from the bar.
Well, it fits into all kinds of markets, doesn't it? Where you've got complex and small parts that maybe need to be made in volumes, really. One of the points we're talking about a lot here at the Open House is the MX strategy.
Yes.
And I'm thinking actually this fits into most of those areas anyway, doesn't it? With the process integration, because you've got all of the turning, milling, and all of those elements. The automation, yes, which we spoke about, so it can run unmanned and produce parts in one hit. What about the green element to it? Is it, does it power down, or is you're using, where is that?
Yeah, thank you for mentioning this, because that's really a task from DMG MORI to save energy. And with our MX strategy, we integrate processes. That means we have a smaller carbon footprint, and we have the energy saving function included in the e-cabinet to shut down what is not needed in steps.
Yeah, okay, so that's how you're saving power,
yes,
which saves money at the same time as well. Really great machine here. Just summarize again once for our audience finally, what this machine actually is, Marcus.
Full six-side machining, and it is really outstanding because we always say you get a fully deburred part out of the machine. And even you can use the lower turret with a vise on it to integrate another operation. Not only using main spindle, sub-spindle, you can use the lower turret, put a vise on it, for example from company Shank, pneumatic vise, and do a third operation on the vise. So you're more than flexible with this machine in every machine shop.